Anna from Banda Ukuleles, and I'm here to help you go through your ukulele learning experience. In this video, I'll be teaching you about how to hold a ukulele, the basic strumming, and some other tips and tricks. Then, at the end of the video, we'll try to play a song. We start out with holding the ukulele against our abdomen, wherever you're comfortable, with your chord hand holding the neck below the head, and your thumb locking the neck in place. Then we take our strumming hand and rest our inner elbow on the end of the ukulele to make it more comfortable. For smaller ukes like this, we strum where the body meets the neck, not above the sound hole. If you have a tenor ukulele or a baritone, it is best to put them on your lap when you're sitting down due to their bigger size. As you can see, while I'm standing, I can still strum with my right hand while holding the ukulele with my right arm. Just remember, when you're holding a ukulele, regardless of whether you're sitting or standing, just hold it in a relaxed manner. When we strum the ukulele, we usually use our thumb or our index finger. We can also use both by pressing them against each other like this. If you want to make a loud sound, make sure to hit the strings with your fingernail. If you want to make a much softer sound, make sure to hit the strings with the fleshy tip of your finger. Do you hear the difference? This principle applies for both strumming down and up. Just remember that it all depends on the kind of sound that you want from your ukulele. So for both of your fingers, if you strum with your fingernails, it makes a louder and sharper sound, just like this. And when we use our fingertips, it makes a softer sound. For the strumming pattern, you can basically strum any way you want. For example, you can strum with just a downward motion, like this. But I would like to teach you the basic ukulele strumming pattern, which is down, down, up, down, up. Now try practicing with me with the G chord. Down, down, up, down, up. Again, down, down, up, down, up. It can be hard to get used to it at first, especially if you've played the guitar before. But just keep repeating the pattern and you'll get used to it. Feel free to pause this video anytime so you can keep practicing some more. Awesome! Now you know how to hold the ukulele properly and you know the basic strumming pattern. Now I'm going to teach you a few tips and tricks for playing the ukulele. Here's a tip on how to avoid hitting other strings with your finger and getting your chord out of tune. You need to stick out your fingers perpendicular to the fretboard while holding down a chord. That way, you won't hit the other strings easily. Also, for chords that require one finger on multiple strings, like the C minor, you can put another finger on top to help hold the strings down. Another tip is to hum a song before singing it out. If you're a beginner and you're having a hard time with coordination in singing while strumming, try humming out the song first before singing out the lyrics. That way, you can get used to strumming in sync with the song that you're trying to learn. Awesome! Now let's try applying what we've learned. We're going to learn how to play the song You Are My Sunshine. We will be using the chords C, F, and G. Let's review how to play these chords first. First, let's do the C chord, then F, then G. Now let's try switching from chord to chord while strumming. Feel free to do it with me. Or you can pause the video after I demonstrate. We'll practice with down strumming first to make it easier. Then we'll switch chords on the 4th strum. We'll start with C, 1, 2, 3, then F, 1, 2, 3, then G, 1, 2, again. 1, F, G, good job! Now let's try to sing the song while strumming slowly. So when you see the lyrics at the bottom of the screen and the chord on top of a word, we switch chords when we sing that word. So first, let's find a slow tempo and practice singing along with me. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. That was awesome! Now let's practice switching the chords using the basic ukulele strum. Remember that the basic ukulele strum is down, down, up, down, up. And let's try switching chords on the third round. Starting with the C chord. Down, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, F. 1, 2, G. 1, 2, C. Last, let's try singing the song using the basic ukulele strum. Now remember to switch when you see the chord on top of the word. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Good job! Thank you so much for watching this tutorial and for playing with me. Keep practicing on your strumming, and I'll see you on my next video.